Morning everybody, it's a very wet morning today. I've got, well, waterproof sun, and I've got my little cheap plasticky raincoat thing or overcoat thing. I've got a coat on and then cheap bit of plastic just to keep everything dry. Except from the laptop bag. Right. I don't normally put the camera on when it's raining, because obviously it can damage it. However, I put cling film around it today so I can carry on filming my wet experience. God, and it is pouring down, very wet. This is not great weather for going to work in. It's not actually cold really. In fact, it's still quite pleasant. I mean, obviously it's wet, but it's pleasant, it's not cold. And I'm not really getting wet apart from my face. I suppose if I had one of those plastic COVID shields, face shields, the face wouldn't get wet either. They're see-through, aren't they? In fact, I know where there is one. No, I don't think so somehow. See, as it's wet, morning. Three cyclists here, all in there at waterproofs, just like me. Yeah, as it's wet, as I was just saying, I'm actually riding with one foot on the platform, scooter platform, and one foot off it, and that's just in case it's a slip off or something like that. Don't expect to slip off, but you just don't know, do you? A bit of oil on the road, you know, your front wheel could go away, or I think my belt's all wet because it's not dinging very well. Now this is the exact same weather, yeah, in the winter, but it's cold, yeah, it's a lot colder, and that's when scootering is, you think, is it really worth it? Is it worth it? It makes you think twice about coming to work on a scooter, but then at the same time, still have to cycle to work, you know, you still get wet. really is wet. It's coming down heavier. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is. Right, more temporary traffic lights come in. I don't know if they're going to change by the time I get there. I think I'll go on the pavement, although there's lots of leaves and things there. Makes it a bit slippery. That's the only thing. Wow, I don't know if you can hear that wind. I'm going to go this way. I'll just go a bit slower. Whoa! I could feel the wheels wanting to slide away there. There's a bit of like mushy leaves. You what? Well, it's a cycle path and public path as well, isn't it?
I've had
Pedestrian.
so many bombing up behind me.
But I didn't bomb up behind
No,
you, did I?
You didn't.
And I did ring the bell in fairness,
Yeah,
pal.
right. Okay,
I'm sorry you've dropped your thing, by the way.
Alright.
It's alright, I mean, like, because I only came
Honestly,
this way.
honestly,
No, I understand.
They whistle past
Yeah.
and they often don't ring the bell.
Yeah.
I didn't hear your bell, but I was probably
Yeah.
in my own little world.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, no worries, okay. I didn't hear your bell. Of course you heard my bell. I saw you turn round and look, or move your head and look. It was very nice, that man, I have to say. I mean, but you know, I am on a cycle path, pedestrian path, and he still wants me to go on the road, even though he was walking right in the middle of the pavement. See, you just can't win, can you? You're buggered if you don't, and you're buggered if you do. Right, oh look at this muddy stuff. Easy there. went into that puddle, which I know was a pothole. It was full, deep. Slow left turn. It's a bit, well, I don't know if you can see the floor, but there's a lot of leaves and the mushy leaves. It's a build up of mud, leaves and water. Lethal combination. As our metal manhole. Wearing a t-shirt. I can understand if you get caught out because it's sunny and then it starts to rain. It's been raining all morning. Alright, that's it. Start of another day. More later. See ya.